He's taking a break, and he like deserves it, bro. He's been doing this for like years. But shoot, you're gonna beat me in auto.
No, it's a tie.
Who won that?
I think you did. Or no, I did.
What? Oh, hell no. How is this not a pin, bro?
Bro has not been to Northway.
Oh, okay.
Okay, bro.
Wait, I don't know the timings of the other alliance, bro.
I do.
Wait, I've never been on this side before. Shoot, it's 1:15. I left way too early.
What? Yo, bro, but you left as soon as it went active. Oh my god.
Dude, I haven't done this in like... Dude, it's been a while.
Oh my god, he trolled a full hopper.
It's been a while since I was on the losing side of auto, bro.
Okay, bro. My steak's too juicy, my lobster's too buttery sounding out, bro. Yes.
I got one ball that whole period.
That's my go. That's my Helen Keller. I'm kidding. Oh, okay. Alright, bud. Man, those shots landed for sure. I said with grace.
Oh, I'm not winning this.
No, you got that.
Got a whole hopper disadvantage.
You're 20 ball disadvantage.
20 balls is a lot in this game.
20 balls is a lot, he says. Proceeds to dump his entire hopper.
I'm at a 50 ball disadvantage. Dude, if I didn't leave early, I would have had a better chance. Unlucky.